Welcome to Yubha, your partner in conquering the CMT exams. With only few days left for your CMT exams, we are excited to present one free mock test based on actual exam weightage for all levels of CMT. This is made available to all candidates for free on our comprehensive revision and practice platform, Checkpoint. Taking this free mock test is simple and convenient. Here's how you can access it anytime, anywhere, to simulate the real exam experience. Step 1. Visit our website yubha.com. Step 2. From the course list, select the level you're preparing for, Level 1, Level 2 or Level 3. Step 3. From the list of courses offered by Yubha, click on Checkpoints, Take a Free Demo button. It will open Checkpoint in a new tab and a sign-in page will appear. Step 4. If you're new to Checkpoint, click on the Register for Free trial link at the bottom and enter your details to register for Checkpoint and you will be directed to the Checkpoint dashboard. If you already have registered for Checkpoint before, simply log in with your existing Checkpoint credentials. Step 5. Once you're logged in, you'll see the free mock test available on your dashboard. You can start it anytime at your convenience. After completing the mock test, you'll receive your results instantly, helping you identify areas of strength and improvement. If you've used Checkpoint for a previous CMT level, adding the trial version for next level is easy. From your profile, click on Other Courses, Free Demo, and add your course and you'll have access to the free mock test for the new level. But that's not all. The trial version also grants you access to quizzes for the first 2 chapters. Plus, you can schedule these quizzes to be sent to your WhatsApp every 24 hours, helping you explore some features of Checkpoint. For a comprehensive preparation experience, consider upgrading to Full Access. With Full Access, you'll unlock all of Checkpoint's feature, which includes multiple custom and full-length tests from the entire curriculum or selected chapters of choice. You can purchase Full Access of Checkpoint directly from yubha.com and enjoy our comprehensive preparation tool access until you clear your level. Start your journey towards CMT success with Yubha today. For any questions or support, reach out to us anytime by joining the Discord group link on Checkpoint login page or using the chat option on Yubha website. Wish you the best for your mock test and good luck for your upcoming exam.